Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an affidavit of support in Dubai. An affidavit of support is a crucial legal document often required for individuals seeking to immigrate or obtain a long-term visa. It serves as a financial guarantee, ensuring that the visa applicant will not become a public charge in the destination country. This document signifies a significant responsibility for the sponsor, promising financial assistance to the beneficiary. Properly understanding its purpose is the first step in a successful application process. Becoming a sponsor for an affidavit of support involves clear eligibility criteria. You must demonstrate sufficient income, typically at least 125% of the federal poverty guidelines for your household size. Residency status is also critical. You must be domiciled in the United Arab Emirates. Gather all necessary documents, including your latest income tax returns, employment letters, bank statements, and a copy of your passport or Emirates ID, ensuring everything is current and valid. The application process in Dubai involves several structured steps to ensure accuracy and compliance. First, you will need to schedule an appointment at the appropriate embassy or consulate that processes immigration petitions for your intended destination country. Carefully complete all required forms, paying close attention to every detail, as errors can cause significant delays. Bring all original documents, along with several copies, to your appointment. Be prepared for a brief interview, where your information will be verified. To ensure your affidavit of support application proceeds smoothly, consider these vital tips. Always provide honest and complete information on all forms, as any misrepresentation can lead to serious consequences. Organizing all your documents meticulously beforehand will save you time and stress during your appointment. Be prepared to answer questions about your financial situation and your relationship with the beneficiary honestly and clearly. A well-prepared application significantly increases your chances of a timely approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.